The next item that I'd like to show you is how to filter some of your items. So we're going to go back to the Explore section, and then up here in the upper right there's a filter button, so we're going to click on that. We can choose to only look at research grade observations, and one thing that you can do is filter by category. So we might only want to look at observations that are birds. The default is to have any date, but we can choose a range of dates. So let's say we wanted only observations that had been in this calendar year. So we'll start 01/01 2022, and today's date, I'm pre-recording it prior to the workshop, is the 9th, so that's as far as we can get. And then let's see, if we want some more filters, we can sort by a place. So let's say Madison, Wisconsin for this first one, and there's a variety of subplaces, so we'll see if we find anything at Edgewood College. And in fact, we have some observations that have been made at the Edgewood College location this year, a American robin.